Hi everyone, welcome to Aura Dance. I have invited my friend Jennifer, who's a certified personal trainer, to create a series of partner workout videos with me. It is definitely more fun and motivated when you have a partner to push through the challenging workouts together. First up, V-sit. Engage your core, lower down to your tailbone, and circle around each other's feet. Keep the legs glued together and beware not to sink your chest. Next, Inchworm Clap. Start by standing at the end of the mat. Reach hands up to the sky with spine lengthened and come down on a plank like a worm. Then clap each other's hand and come back standing up. Remember to keep shoulders on top of the hands at the plank position. Partner bicycle. Place your feet against each other's. Ensure there's enough room between the two of you when extending the legs out straight. Keep the elbows open as you twist. Downward dog and plank. Climb out from the end of the mat one palm at a time. Press the heels down and lengthen the spine for downward dog. Then engage the core, shift your weight forward to a plank, and meet your partner near the cheek. Next, come down on squat and reach out the arms straight at the waist level of your partner. Tap the hands with alternated knees. Keep the knees high and don't let it fall near the end. You'll probably start feeling tired, and that's a perfect time to have a partner to give you some verbal support. Trust fall. It's time to test out how much you trust your partner. The base person should engage the core and push off the falling person with strong legs. The top person has to keep the arms and legs straight as you fall. Imagine yourself as a wall falling off the cliff. Leg raises and squats. The person standing up doing the squat should root the feet to the ground. The person doing the leg raises below should engage the core when raising the legs up. Remember, don't let the legs completely drop to the ground. Come back up when they're a few inches away from the ground. That way, you work the core. jump squats. This is like the finale of the set of workout, so do it with a smile. Alternate tapping your partner's toes using the inner side of your foot. Then squat down and jump high. Now take a rest to catch up with your breath. Then repeat the full set of exercise with the rows switched with your partner. We will then do our cool down and stretching after the second set is done. Let's cool down and do our final stretches. First up, standing glute stretch. One hand goes around the back of the partner and the other on the shoulder. Cross one foot on top of the knee, then bend a standing leg and hinge forward with flat back. You should feel a nice stretch at your bum and along the back of the leg. Now switch to the other side. Finally, hamstring stretch. One partner lean back and place all the weight on the back of the person who's folding forward. Keep knees straight to make sure you get the stretch at the back of your legs. The person leaning back should feel pretty good with an upper back stretch as well. You're all done. Good job to you and your partner. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Aura Dance YouTube channel. See you all soon!